it cannot be correct to say human body parts can be used to enrich somebody else. And now we are traditional health practitioners. Under the scope of work, you can hear what it's health. So anything that is to do with health means life. So there is no way that a traditional healer can also then become a murderer.
Cha mina ngibona i-right ba. Ayikho right ngempela lento yokuthi umuntu athwale ngephathi umuntu omunye. Kusho ukuthi labo bantu abantu abagreedy nje abafuna imali ebantwini. Ingakho benza leyo nto leyo. Kodwa thina inyanga asithwali. Ene lokho kuthwala nje ngiyaqala nokukuzwa. Ngoba thina siyalapha nje kuphela ukuthi abantu baphile, sibanikeze impilo kuphela nokuthi impilo yabo ihambe kahle.
Cha mina baba engikwazi ukuphendula kakhulu kulokho ngoba abantu bahamba baye emazweni babuye balanda imithi yabo babuye beyithwalele ngendlela abathwele ngazo befike bezoblame thina siyinyanga zala eSouth Africa. Bayahamba abantu baphume baye ko-Uganda baphuma emazweni angaphandle babuye bethwele babuye benza imikhuba esingayazi nathi siyinyanga esiyimangalayo siyinyanga sibhekene nenkinga ukuthi silapha into esingazazi sesilapha into esingazazi siyinyanga silapha imithi esingazi ukuthi iqhamuka kuphi silapha izifo esingakaze siyibone thina ngoba abantu bayaphuma bahamba bayofuna lokho abakufunayo kulamaza abafuna kiwo babuye beze kuthini bese into ibuye ikhombe kuthina.
To answer you briefly, there's no ritual that can enrich one person from taking body parts omuntu. There's no richness that can come out of that. Ubuthakathi, total witchcraft.
Angeke uzubulala umuntu bese ucabanga ukuthi uzoba rich ngaloyo muntu loyo. Akwenzeke bungomeni loyo nto leyo. Asikusebenzisi futhi. Hayi asibeke nje icace ukuthi lento yama-body part asetshenziswayo akusiyethu eSouth Africa. Ibuya kulaba abantu abasanda kufika. Ibona abasebenzisa lezi zinto lezi. Ene lokho kufanele sibulwele sibungoma bethu ukuthi ene bahlambalaza igama lethu lobunyanga.